Even if I'm blind, I can still feel your presence.
Who am I?
You're the sun that shines in my rain.
Say that again to me.
I said, you are the sun that shines in my rain.
Are you not the perfect man for me?
The gods are wise. Hence they brought you my way. I can never allow this to end.
Neither do I want it to end.
Then it will never, ever end. Then it will never ever end. I promise you, it will not end.
Where are you coming from? I am talking to you. Where are you coming from?
Father, I want to pound some cocoyam for my grandmother.
You went all the way to Anopa to pound cocoyam for your grandmother. Is that what you're telling me?
Yes, Father.
You liar. Your grandmother just left here now. Now tell me, where are you coming from?
Father, I want to fetch some firewood.
And where is the firewood? I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I hope you're not seeing a man.
No, Father, I'm not seeing any man.
If I find out you are seeing a man, I will so deal with you. Now get out of my presence! Get out!
You're always doing this to me, why?
Because I want your heart to beat faster.
Oh. And it's beating faster for you.
Yes.
See, I have an idea. Can you move in with your grandmother? So I'll be seeing you every day.
My father will not allow me. In fact, he's even angry about us.
Eh? You told him about us?
No, I did it. He doesn't want seeing any man around me.
Why? But you get married to a man someday.
He wants me to be the next Ezenwanya of Modern Kingdom.
Why? I thought the daughter of Ezenwanya would be the next Ezenwanya.
Our last Ezenwanya had no child. And the next Ezenwanya has to emerge before Iyala festival.
I see.
But do not let that bother you. I will not leave you.
Are you sure?
I want to go and cook for my father.
Oh, you know I miss you.
I know, and I will miss you too.
It's okay. See you at the farm tomorrow, okay? I'll wait for you. Make sure you...
So this is the Odona that exists in your grandmother's tale. Now look me in the eyes and tell me more lies. Will you shut up? Shut up. And you, young man, do you know whose daughter you are about to defile? Do you know?
Mas, no, I'm not trying to defile her.
Now on your knees. This minute, I said on your knees. And you, what are you still doing here? What are you still doing here? Will you run? Come down. Where do you think you are going?
Father, I want to go and fetch some firewood.
You are not allowed to step out of this house until after the initiation. Is that clear? Now get inside! Nena, do you truly love him?
Yes, Father, I do.
Okay. Tell him to come and see me tomorrow.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hakiki, I call upon you again. You never disappoint me. Whoever that eats these eggs, let him die. Let him die.
Father! Father! He's here.
Greetings, Mazi.
Come on, sit down.
Thank you.
I have palm wine. Let me get it for you.
Mazi, thank you. I don't want to drink palm wine.
Are you scared?
No, I'm not scared.
You cannot come to my house for the first time and don't accept anything from me. Nena, go in and get him some eggs. This is the first time you're coming here.
Thank you.
Give to him. You can eat it when you get home.
Mazi, thank you. Imela.
Excuse me. Yes. Odona, let me see how you survive this. You want to stop my daughter from becoming the next Ezewanyi of this land, thereby stopping me from my fortunes. By this time tomorrow, I will hear the good news of your death. Yes. Let me see how you survive.
I'm surprised my father likes you.
Yes, I'm surprised too. He gave me eggs.
Are you going to eat the eggs alone? Won't you give me one?
Oh, you know there's no way I can eat it without giving you. I'll eat my own when I get to the house.
My father surprised me now.
Eh?
My father. I'm really surprised at his actions. Yes, sir. I never knew.
You know I love you so much.
I love you more.
I was afraid.
I saw you now. It's not like I was pushing you. My stomach!
What is it?
My stomach!
Wait.
My stomach!
Sorry.
My stomach! My chest!
What is going on? What happened to her?
I don't know. She ate the egg. After eating the egg, she started shouting her stomach.
What have you done to my daughter? You have killed my daughter!
Mama.
No, just wait for me.
No.
Just wait for me. Just wait
Mama,
for me.
please don't do this.
Just wait for me. Just wait for me. Ah! Wait for me. I will use your head to bury my daughter. Idiot.
That is how the story has it.
In that case, we did not offend them.
Aya and 7 other warriors took fight to Anopa and threatened to wipe them out if they did not bring a human head for the burial of Nena. And because Anopa did not want any war, they accepted such condition. And since then, they have been coming into Anopa and going with human heads.
So, we are paying for what we did not do?
So the story has it.
And why does it look like the gods are with them?
The gods are with all of us, though they seem silent.
Does their silence ever have an end? Or will they speak when we are already in the graves?
Let me tell you the truth. Go home and get prepared.
get prepared to die?
You are what your tongue says. If you want to die, let it go down to the root of your tongue. But if you want to live, let it be so.
Ugochi. Please. You just have to be strong. For I know and I am convinced that you are a very strong maiden. If it is the will of the gods, we will survive it. But if you do not forget to come back to us. Stop crying. It's okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Take good care of yourself. Ugochi, wait! We are friends now. Are we not?
I'm sorry.
You have to go.
Let me help you. Huh?
I'm almost at the market.
Nani, the market is very far. Let me help you, Biko. Biko. Even the Lord give you.
Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Ebubeji.
Ebubeji. Do you know what it means?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you coming from?
Now I'm coming from the shrine I went to seek for the fix of the gods.
Please, I want to wait for my son here. Please, you can put down the pot. Everybody,
No,
you can take some palm wine.
no, thank you. I wasn't thought so.
But you have to take some palm wine from me.
Nani, I cannot drink on empty stomach.
You can take home. When you get home, you drink.
Okay, Nani, but I don't have a cup.
I have. Pour for yourself.
Nani, if I should take this cup home, which other cup will you start the palm wine with?
I have enough cups.
Ah.
Pour for yourself.
Nani, this smells good. It must be a strong one.
There is palm wine. And there is palm wine. When you get home, dip your last finger into the cup. Stand in the middle of your father's compound and take it at one cup. Greet your mother for me. Tell her you saw Dikeh, the great one.
I will do that. Dalurin and Nani, you ready to go?
You can go.
You're carrying
palm wine.
Palm wine. You want to drink palm wine before going to the farm? What's that?
I don't know. Maybe the old man mistakenly put this in his cup.
Old man? Which old man?
He said his name is Dikeh.
What? Dikeh?
Do you know him?
No. My father-in-law that died 4 months after I was married gave this to my son.
Odogwu. Odogwu. Osamu Dikeh namba ka amuri be. He is the one. The chosen one. Finally, our humiliation will come to an end.
Mai, what are you talking about? That my son has been chosen by the gods. To do what?
Woman, you are the mother of a hero. Go home and give this back to him. Let him wear this around his waist, where no one can see it.
You have not told me what I want to hear.
Woman, it is not about what you want to hear, but about the truth. Your son, Ebubechi, will fight and conquer. And when this happens, you will not be troubled. Go home, be happy. Okorobịa onye bụ n'ibe ya ooo, ị na-ekwu me na nkwa na nwa onye bụ n'ibe ya ooo. Odogwu, nne m Odogwu. Finally, our humiliation has come to an end.
Gods of Anupa, I know you can hear me. Do you have to remain silent while the people of Omodomo wipe us away? Please. Use me. I am ready to stop this if you can use me. Let me show them that there are men in Anupa. Let me fight them. If we have God, if our gods are potent, let them be something to speak. Let them speak.
Did you see that?
Say what?
Who am I? What am I? Mother! Mother! Mother!
I watched him break the firewood. I saw the axe hit his leg. and nothing happened. Is that the handiwork of the gods?
Woman, if you wouldn't bear this, the gods wouldn't have brought it your way.
What?
Go home. The gods are at work. Let about daddy go. Chukwokike. Ekene. Ekene.
Agumba! 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 Agumba, come out. Come out. Agumba, come out!
Ibubeji, you can scare someone. Eh? Kenki na abaka anu obia. Have they come again?
Agumba, have a plan. I have a plan. We need to lay an ambush and take the warriors of Umodum unawares on Unko Market Day.
Ibubeji, are you mad? Ibubeji, Ibagwala. Oh, no wonder. Ibubeji nenyo zigenyo. Oh, Ibubeji, you think I don't know your plans? Oh, you don't want them to take your love, Unenwa.
See, Iboka, this is not all about Unenwa. It's about our maidens, our sisters. We cannot allow this to happen. We cannot let them take our sisters and bury it with that the wicked king.
Ibubeji, we have so many maidens. So many Irika.
Can you hear yourself talk? Can you listen to yourself? If we don't stop this now, when do we stop it?
Ibubeji, what the gods cannot stop, is it you that can stop it? Ibubeji, if you think you've grown to be a strong man, go and lay ambush all alone and fight the warriors of Umodu. I am only a wrestler.
You are only a coward.
I am not a coward.
Then prove it.
I have defeated Ekwe of Umutu. And I, Akumba, defeated Okrike of Atina. Tell him. Tell him again. He has forgotten.
Agumba, all he said is the truth. We are maidens sharing at you, singing praises of you. If we allow these people to take our maidens and bury them alive, who will share it? Who will sing your praises? Agumba, you are a warrior. A wrestler is a warrior.
We shall fight them at Ama. We shall gather all our men, put them together, train them, and we shall get our message and slay them like gods.
That is the voice of a warrior. Iboka, will you join us? Huh?
Why are you asking me that stupid question? If Agumba will be there, then certainly I will.
I'm happy to hear this. You know what? I have to go and get ready. So try and get ready. Go market day. Remember, according to
we shall fight.
According to Kaisibia.
We shall fight. We shall fight. Were you serious when you said we shall fight? We shall fight. Did you say it because he was here? Come and drink palm wine.
By this time tomorrow, we will be led away to be buried alive. I'll never get to see you again.
You have to be strong. Besides, we have a plan. We'll not let them take you away.
What plan?
When the time comes, you will see it.
Will you take care of my mother when I die?
You are not going to die. Nothing will happen to you.
But the gods cannot even save us.
There's nothing we can do.
Of course, do we have any choice?
No, we can still fight. We are not cowards.
Let him out anyway.
Shut up, your mouth! Shut up! I can fight you. Come and fight us. Come! What? Biko. What? Who else wants to challenge me? I promise you will come back with it.
It is your head my king will sit on for eternity. You idiot! Move! Ibubeji actually thought that we are going to fight and kill Dinka.
Next time, you will learn how to mind his business.
Hey,
don't mind him. Everything is hustle.
Wait, are you still seeing them? Oh, have they gone?
Let's go.
My prince, we have them now. My prince, we have them now.
Tell the elders to wait till I return.
Yes, my prince.
What a beauty.
Not allow him to return until after his father's burial.
That is what he asked me to say.
Go back and tell him that he will only return after his father's burial.
But Agba, since Ikemba is dead, he can come back to give his father a fitting burial. Otiburo will not harm him.
Uzo is right. Otiburo only kills when the king is still alive.
That is it.
So let him return and join us in preparation of the funeral ceremony. Let him come back. It's no point.
Unangwa, stop crying. We'll soon be free.
Shut up! Just shut up. You caused the death of my father. If you had not fought them, my father wouldn't have died.
Shut up, idiot! I am sorry about your father's death. Agumbani will come to truth.
You lie! Ibubeji, you lie! It is your making and not theirs! I hate you! I hate you!
What?
Icheuzo, tell Idika to take some guards to Akpo and get a very big coffin, while you go to Omoji to get beads and bracelets for Ikemba. I will go to Ikeju to pay for the cannon guns for the burial.
Okay, I will do exactly as you have said, Ichie. Since the burial is almost at hand, we actually need to move fast.
Yes.
I will get across Idika to tell him your instruction.
Please do.
While I go to where you asked me to go. Dinka,
sure.
You go with some warriors to accompany Dilibe home.
I'll go right away. Please do.
Ichie, without wasting time, let me be on my way.
Please do. We have to make hay while the sun still shines.
Exactly. Thank you.
Deliver, come, stop. You don't have to do this. Why are you being stubborn? Why do you want to be stubborn and risk your life?
Grandmother, I'm old enough to know what I want.
It is not about being old enough. It's about the tradition. It is about the Otibiro.
Has Otibiro killed any prince you know when he saw his father before his burial? Grandmother, you see, Otibiro will not harm me. I am the next king, not a threat to the throne. Grandmother, you've cared for me all these years, and I appreciate. Please, stay well.
I don't even stay long in the market. Once I sell few things, I pick my basket and I go home.
Ikemba was a wicked man. He didn't believe he would die after taking war with innocent villages.
What did I hear you say? Did I hear you say Ikemba was a wicked man? How dare you?
Did I call your name? Are you Ikemba? Can't you continue your journey?
I will deal with you.
You will deal with who? Do you know the wife of who I am? I am the wife of the great Ojukwu. If you touch me, he will find you and kill you.
By the time I'm through with you, you will not live to say what happened to you. Next time, you will open your mouth and curse my father.
What happened?
The most stronger than Jack was dead was saying that Ikemba is a wicked king.
Strangled my wife? No! Ah! Take me to where they come.
My prince.
We are coming to accompany you home.
Who did this to my wife? May Amado take my life if I forgive you.
For how long do we have to wait for my visitor? Dikeh! If you like, spend the whole day in the bush, emptying your stomach. We cannot wait for you any longer. Meet us at the palace. We cannot wait for him any longer. Let's go. Welcome, our prince. Welcome, prince.
Inca, my prince, where are the prisoners for the sacrifice?
Over there.
Since when has the elephant become an animal you see in a hurry?
Praise like that. Sumodo. You are ready for breakfast.
Does it mean he didn't see us?
I am wondering.
Eh? Maybe he wants to make sure the prisoners are intact.
That attitude is very appalling.
Very, very appalling.
What nonsense.
Rubbish.
What is your name?
And what do you want to do with your name?
Shut up!
You fool! I am not a fool.
Soon, termites and maggots will feast on your body.
And that is if I am not a son of Anopa.
Did you just talk back at Dikeh, the head warrior? Are you mad? One more word from you, I will get you beheaded.
Before you behead us, please, can we at least get some water? Please.
Dikeh, my prince, tell the guard to get her some water to drink.
Right away.
Have mercy on us.
I want to quiet here.
I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
Be quiet.
How do we do this issue? We have to wait for the prince to come. Yes. The prince to come? The prince has to come first. He's already here. Okay. The prince is here. No problem. My prince.
My prince, you didn't behave as if you noticed us.
How is the preparation going?
All is going on well. Well, let me introduce the elders present. This is Dikeh.
We will talk when I have my rest. Where is the body of my father laid?
He's in his room. The burial is in 2 days.
Where is his room?
There.
He is so rude
And arrogant. Very arrogant.
Ojukwu the Great, what brings you here in this mood? Hope all is well.
I do not come in peace. Someone from this clan killed my wife on her way from the market. I want to know the man who killed my wife.
Ojukwu the Great, we are mourning. We will make sure we find the man that killed your wife and hand over to you. We don't want to have any problem.
This is the one who killed your wife.
Gentlemen, you have no fear. You killed my wife. Stop yourself.
You could agree. We apologize for the death. Please come back after the burial of it.
I will come back for one thing. To have my wife back alive. And if I can't, I will wipe out the Turkland. I will!
Hey! This is trouble. This is big trouble in the chair. Hey!
Olivia, how did this happen?
I do not know what he's talking about. If he wants war, we will give it to him.
Hey! Did I hear you say war? Have you seen anyone going to war with Ojukwu? Hey! He's half human, half spirit. He can turn to lion, he can turn to stream, he can turn to whatever he wants to turn to when he wants to fight.
Yes, sir.
Hey!
He can even turn into a raging fire. This problem shouldn't be coming by now.
Hey.
Eh? We'll find a way to deal with this.
Let's talk about my father's burial.
All is said. We're only waiting for Dikeh. As the God, it should be buried at night by morning.
My father will be buried in the next 3 days. Send words to the clan and tell them that Ikemba will be buried in 3 days.
But Dikeh said...
Dikeh is not the son of my father. My father will be buried in 3 days. Nika, please, show me to my room.
This way.
What do we call this?
Trouble! That is what it is called. Nsogbu. Hey!
Stay back!
This time to kill us one by one.
You, step out! Makagini!
No! Please, I don't want to die.
Step out! Leave me alone! Don't you dare! Shut up!
Let her go! Let her go! Let her go! Keep quiet! Let her go!
Prince. Leave us. Do not be scared. I will not hurt you. What is your name?
My name is Unenwa.
You are beautiful.
What use is my beauty when maggots and termites will feed on my flesh soon.
Nobody will touch you. I will not be alive and watch anyone touch you. I will ask them to replace you with another maiden.
Why are you doing this?
I want you. I want you to be my queen, the mother of my children. After my father's burial, I am going to pick a wife before I am crowned the king of Umodum.
I will hold you by your words. But I will remain in the cage up until you prove yourself honest.
You're not returning to the cage anymore. Not anymore. Dinka!
My prince!
Prince, take her and go and clean her up. And give her something good to eat.
My prince, she is one of the...
Was one of the virgins that are meant to be used for my father's burial.
Yes.
But not anymore.
This way.
I will not forgive this. I support you. They should not be forgiven. I will take them unawares. Set the palace and the whole clan ablaze. I know how to go about it. Ujuku the greatest. Ujuku the greatest. Ujuku the greatest.
I did not say that. But think about it. What will you tell your children happened to Ebubeji? What will you tell them about Ebubeji? What?
Oh, you got to stop it! Enough! I am done talking about this.